Welcome in the kitchen with Bibi. Today I'm going to show you how to cook pumpkin flowers, a traditional Italian recipe. I'm going to show you how to make it in a light way and an easy way, ready in 8 minutes. First of all, our ingredients, let's prepare them. We're going to have some fresh mozzarella. I'm going to slice a few pieces. Okay. And then slice them again. Okay, so we're going to prepare our little slices with some anchovy paste. I use it quite often for this kind of dishes because it doesn't have the little bones, but you can use anchovies as well. And we just stuff it in there into the flour. And if we see that we have a little bit more room, we can stuff a little piece of mozzarella more here. There we go. Fine. Gorgeous. Okay. So we keep on going and we stuff another one. We prepare another piece, another little bit of anchovy paste. And we just curl it a little bit if the piece is too big. And we just stuff it inside the flour. There we go. We do another one. There. Like I said before, we're going to fry this and we're going to prepare batter, which is going to be with normal flour and a little bit of rice flour to make it a little bit lighter. This time of the year, which is summer, we can use every tip we can get to show our bikini line. Okay, we're going to do about 4. Our flours are finished. We're going to prepare our batter. 2 spoons, more or less, of white flour, 1.5 spoons of rice flour. We're going to combine all this together. The secret to this kind of tempura is to have the water very, very cold and mineral water, because the shock that it's going to get dropping these flours into the frying hot oil, it's going to be so big and it's going to give that crunchiness that we're going to have and we're going to look for. Okay. Just going to stir this and add the ice cold water as we need it. Okay, this is the consistency that we need. All right, we're ready to dip our flours in. Oh, very cold, very beautiful. Just keep on turning them, and that way we don't lose whatever we put inside. At this point, we're ready to put the oil in our pan. That's right, I'm going to fry with olive oil because if it reaches high temperature, it's not going to be so toxic. Okay? And we're ready. In. so great that we can eat something that it's actually fried and not feel so guilty about it, of gaining weight or anything, because this is really light and once a week you can have it. A pinch of salt, or sometimes I don't put salt at all since the anchovies paste is really salty, but do whatever you like, at your own taste. And you know what I'm going to do? I would like to open one of these and just show you